Hello everyone, James's Railway Adventures here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a Bachmann engine from British Railways, a BR Class 42 diesel hydraulic, also known as the Warship. Anyway, let's take a look at this box first. So on the back of the box we have a brief history of the Class 42. I'll let you pause that if you want to have a little read through that. And on the side here we have this engine's logo code, so this one is 32-051DC, and we have Class 42 diesel D867 BR green, and this engine's name is Zenith. I hope I'm saying that right. Anyway, let's open Zenith up. Okay, now that we have Zenith out of his box, let's get him on the tracks. Okay, now that we have Zenith out of his box, let me show you some of his details. So we've got his crew in his cab here. We have his doors with the door handrails. We have this yellow lining on his bottom. We have the British Railways light crest. We have his nameplate, which reads Zenith Warship Class. And we've got his, I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but there's also the vents on the side, and we have his bogies and his number, which is D867, and we have his yellow warning panels, and the buffer's sprung. So they are. I apologize for the noise outside, those are just some cars passing by. Anyway, let's test the crawl. Okay, here we go. Okay, like my Class 47 and 67, the interior of the cab glows and it's got working lights. The warning panels light up and okay. And as you can see, the when it goes back, runs in reverse, it's red wheels, red lights light up. There we go. And that's cool. I get 2 more cars passing by. Okay, backwards. Okay, forwards once more. Honestly, that was an okay crawl test. Anyway, let's give Zenith a train to pull. Okay, I've given Zenith a passenger train to pull. Right then, Zenith, off you go. Right, so I think on the inside line I thought I'd run my Class 47. Right then everyone, enjoy the running session. overall, that has been my review of the Bachmann Class 42 Warship. Till next time, this is James's Railway Adventures, and I'll see you somewhere down the tracks. Dry rails and smooth running. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.